Don't be a sitting duck if you want to supersize and grow your business, or you might get your nose shot off. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is sitting duck. Now, I don't always take a stance on whether you should or shouldn't be something, but I'm going to say it's probably a good idea to not be a sitting duck. I actually have a whole row of sitting ducks right next to me to remind me to keep moving, especially during chaotic times like COVID, to not be a sitting duck because I don't want my nose to be shot off. Today, sitting duck comes, of course, from duck hunting. Everybody that's ever duck hunted, me included, no judgment, knows that a duck that is sitting on a body of water or in a field or on a pond is a much easier target to hit than a duck that is flying in a flock through the air. Now, or that a duck that's moving or flying. And this idiom, of course, means that if you're sitting still and setting yourself up, you're a much easier target than if you keep moving. And that's our biggest lesson today, is that we want to keep moving no matter what, toward what it is that we want as we're building and growing and supersizing our business. And we want to be prepared. We want to be alert. We want to know what the competition's doing. Not that they're out to kill us or shoot us or hurt us, but they are out to attract our customers away from us. That's the nature of the business world. So if we have any enemies, if we have any, competition, a lot of people think the competition is the enemy. Me, I don't think so, but a lot of people do. So if you believe that, you want to make sure that you're prepared. You want to make sure that you identify any areas where your competition is a lot stronger than you and you could improve in order to serve the people that you're trying to serve better. You can do a better job targeting and creating experiences for the people that you serve, and then chances are very unlikely that they'll ever even look at, much less go to, your competition, because you're keeping moving. You're always continually improving how you serve them, again moving, and as they grow, you grow with them, or as you grow, they grow with you. You become their lifelong choice, so they don't have to go to the competition. So you're not an easy target for customer poaching or whatever you would like to call it. So have you ever been a sitting duck? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you were a target, and did that cause you to freeze and stay in place? Or did you realize that the only way to not be in a vulnerable position was to get up and keep moving? I found that during COVID, especially, I've made and put systems in place to ensure that I keep moving forward. Even in those times when I'm stressed out and procrastinating and feeling like I don't want to move, I've got habits and routines set up so that I make myself move and do things every single day, so I don't become a sitting duck or a target for anyone or anything, especially for my own inertia or my own desire to just go back to the status quo or keep things the same. Because if we're not improving and growing and moving forward, guess what? Things aren't ever staying the same, because the world around us is always changing. And that means if we're not moving forward, if we're not intentionally moving in the direction we want to go, we're automatically declining and deteriorating. We never want to do that, especially when we're growing our businesses. So love to know if you've been a sitting duck, if you've ever seen someone that was a sitting duck. I mean, there's examples of it all around us, but we never want to have ourselves be in that vulnerable position where we could be subject to attack or subject to our businesses actually being destroyed or pulled out from under us. And there's a lot of ways that can happen as well. That's our idiom for today. Go out and have an awesome day, and I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your life today? Fly away, little duckies. Bye. Have a great day.